Hi everyone, this is Gleeza made with Glee. In today's video, I'm participating in the Christmas Wreath DIY challenge hosted by Kristi from Inspired Living with Kristi and Antoinette from Simple Yet Chic. They wanted us to DIY our own wreath for Christmas, of course. And for this one, I've had to go to the Dollar Tree because it's where I get most of my crafting supplies, especially for holiday specific decorating. So I picked up two of the, a one pack which contains two of the small wreaths, wire form, and of course one of their 15-foot garland. And I'm going to recommend that you don't do what I did. Go ahead and cut your wreath in half beforehand, so that way you have two equal amounts and it makes it a lot easier to wrap around both of the wreaths. Then from the Dollar Tree, I got these gold musical instrument ornaments and a few other things that I'm gonna, decide what exactly I'm gonna use. So I picked up one of the Christmas decorative mesh, but I happen to have this green one from the Thanksgiving stash that I like a lot better for some reason. So instead of using all gold, I decided to go with this green with a touch of gold deco mesh. And here I'm just cutting about 5 pieces, about 6-7 inches long, and now I'm just gonna roll them together and fasten the center with a chenille stem. I have 5 of them that I cut in half because we're actually making 2 wreaths, not just one, because you'll see, as you saw in the beginning, I have a front door, double door, so that's why I'm doing 2. So after I wrap my little bundles of deco mesh, I'm going to attach those to my wreath, just, put them through in twist tie. Really simple and really easy to do that. And then it's a matter of placement and arranging my ornaments. I kind of visually put them together to see how far the bow should be before I attached to anything. So I had to visualize it first, see exactly kind of where I wanted things to go, and then I fastened my bows to the wreath based on that idea. Of course, then we're going to go back and secure those things with hot glue. Now, you can leave your wreath exactly the way it is musically, just like that, but all of these musical instruments, of course, reminded me of the song Deck the Halls with Boughs of Holly, and that's been my theme so far, my music that I've been using in all my videos that I've made Christmas related this year. So I decided, you know what, I wanted to make this a musical tribute to Deck the Halls and Fa La La La. So while it looks very cute just like that and you can leave it alone, we're gonna add a few more things. So now I love those cedar sprigs. I plan on using some of those, but I decided to go ahead and take a piece of felt, and this again is the stiffer felt, not the soft fabric one, a little stiffer, and I cut 2-inch strips of this. And I had a video, I hate technology sometimes, but I lost it, but I basically just wrote out the word Deck the Halls with Sharpie on my felt, and now we're gonna attach this. And there's a few portions of my video here that's missing. While I absolutely love being able to share these things with you, sometimes my videos don't all get transferred, they get lost, they don't get saved, or in most scenarios they just run out and I can't I don't record anything. So this is it, you guys. It's very simple, just to decorate it anyhow you want. But like I said, I ended up going for Deck the Halls and Fa La La La, which I wrote. That, is really the main difference here of any of these wreath making videos that you'll probably see in this playlist, is how I made my little banner, which I lost the video of. So there you go. I made a little banner. Glue that on, hot glue, and then we're just gonna hot glue all of the ornaments around, and then I'm gonna snip some of that cedar sprigs and glue those on. And then I decided, because we had the touch of red in the Fa La La La, I needed to add a little touch of holly berries because it's boughs of holly. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I know this is such a weird video, you guys, but do stick around and just enjoy it with me. I just had fun making this wreath, and I thank Kristi from Inspired Living by Kristi and Antoinette from Simple Yet Chic. Do check out their channels. If you love home decor, you'll love watching them. I do enjoy watching both of these ladies. So I'll link their channels below in the description box, as well as the playlist, so that you can get some great wreath making ideas. My wreaths were less than $10, so for 2 of them. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, less than $10. I don't have the exact count, but less than $10. So for $10, you can get 2 musically themed wreaths, deck the halls, and follow la la. So thank you guys for watching. Please do hit that like button, that subscribe button, and I will see you, or you will see me, in the next video. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.